Now this is where we come in with our practice. Why am I not hearing Sripad? Why am I not hearing Bhakti Swarup Damodar speaking to me and guiding me and directing me in my heart? Why am I not seeing him in my heart? Now Prabhupada explains why. When the soul cries out for spiritual guidance, means Agya, Guru Shiksha. Remember I said our bhajan is Krandan bhajan. Krandan, crying bhajan. Srila Prabhupada is saying, when the soul, that means we are souls, the Atma, the disciple, when the Shishya, the soul, cries out for spiritual guidance, the Lord, as the Chaitya Guru, or the spiritual master in the heart, gives direct inspiration. So each one of us can have darshan of our Guru in our hearts. Each one of us can hear our Guru speaking directly and specifically and individually to us in our hearts. When we develop Guru Rag, Guru attachment, and come to the level of Raganuga Bhakti. When one comes to the level of Bhava, he has so much bhav and sentiments for his Guru that when he's chanting his Guru Mantra and Guru Gayatri, and he's meditating on the spiritual form of his Guru, because this is the meaning of the Guru Gayatri. He's meditating on the spiritual form of his Guru, and then Guru Mantra, he's meditating on his Guru's sadhaka group, the Guru's form when he's in this world. He's meditating and chanting the Guru Mantra. He will see at the level of Bhava, he'll have a sporti. Sporti means a very deep experience, a vision. A vision. It seems so real that you can reach out and touch your Guru. Prabhupada, you're here. Guru Maharaj. That's called sporti. It's such, you're so deeply absorbed in your Guru that he manifests. That's called spurti at the level of bhav. Then at the level of bhav and praying, there's something called sakshat darshan, where one gets direct darshan of either Guru or Krishna. This is the experience of the advanced devotee. Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada in his rooms doing bhajan in 1962 to 65 in his bhajan kutir in Sevakunj, he had sakshat darshan of Srila Rupa Goswami Pada ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Because Prabhupada is a Premi Bhakta. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad has entered his samadhi 500 years before that, and here he is.